Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are starting mini series of videos uh, dedicated to going through one of the most important sources of the data for financial scripts, financial data. It will be Yahoo Finance. Let's take a look at what Google brings us with Yahoo Finance. This is the link for the Python specific library in PyPy. And here is the brief disclaimer and the components of it, what is possible, what to do. There is a GitHub page of the person who created it, Rusi, whom we are extremely thankful. And as you can see, it's really easy to install the library. Pip install Yahoo Finance. You see the compatible Python versions 3.6 through 3.10. It's OS independent. And this much about the library official part. Now, why this is important? Because understanding company's basic stock information is critical. If you are investing in the company, it's great to have the data available to analyze. And before analyzing financial statements or technical trends, you need a quick snapshot of company's market position, volatility, valuation, and other important parameters. In this lesson, we'll cover how to retrieve the basic stock data using Python and Yahoo Finance library. We'll go over key metric means and why those matter, and we will build a small interactive Streamlit dashboard to explore a stock. So, why people prefer Yahoo Finance? Because it allows to retrieve financial data from a reliable data source. It provides an easy way to fetch stock prices, historical market data, financial statements, key company metrics, and all of that for free. Can you imagine? It's useful because it's easy to use, it's comprehensive, it's free and open source, and it's great for analysis. It's useful for traders, investors, data scientists, and whether you want to track a stock's historical price, analyze company's fundamentals, or build an automated trading strategy. Yahoo Finance is a library I could say must have. It's a bit narrowed, but yeah, it must have library, because if you want to have free data, Yahoo Finance is irreplaceable. If you want advanced data which Yahoo Finance doesn't have, okay, you can consider other data sources. What does Yahoo Finance use the most? It's a term called ticker. It's a single ticker data for a single stock, ETF, or index on the market. And we will use all of that and some of the other things in our code. Let's jump to it. Latest one was task 23, year-to-date return. So now let's create another folder, Yahoo Finance Explore, and within it we are going to create our script. Stock information data. Yes, we want to add this to GitHub, as we already have installed in our project repository the Yahoo Finance. First, let's activate virtual environment. And as we have already downloaded and installed, we don't need basically to install it again, so we will just import it. Yahoo Finance as YF. So the format of a single stock information gathering is this: stock equals to YFinance ticker Apple, for example, stock info equals to stock info, and print stock info. Let's run this one. This is very simple, but later on we will go through Streamlit. You can see here that there is an address, city, state, phone number, website, and bunch of other information like executive stuff and daily high, daily low. As now we are on a market hours, so these values can be changed if there is drastic increase or decrease of the price. So we can see that there is a bunch of the information. So going forward, we will narrow it down. And briefly, what does this stock info include anyway? It's a general information. It's market metrics, PE ratio, PB ratio, market capitalization, outstanding shares. Let's find it. Outstanding shares, outstanding. Here we are. So this is the number of shares that is outstanding on the market. Those are valuation metrics: PE ratio, PB ratio. There is dividend data. Find it. No. Yes, dividend rate, dividend yield, etc. And stock performance: 52-week high, 52-week low. Yes, here we are, 52-week low. So why is this important? Because helps analyze the company at a glance. It's essential for screening stock based on valuation, and it's pretty heavily used in automated trading algorithms to filter stocks. Now let's modify our code to include all the segments that we need. We imported YFinance, then we will import pandas as PD, and we will import Streamlit as ST. So pandas we are going to use to structure the data in table format. Streamlit we are going to create an interactive UI. Now let's write down our first method. Def get stock info. And it will be based on ticker. Now stock equals to YFinance ticker, and here goes our variable, and info will be our stock info. Next, we are going to show what metrics are we interested in. Let's remove this. Stock data equals. We are creating a dictionary here. Company name, info, get long name, or if it's not available, display and a sector will be info get sector or we basically can go on and on about this stock data, but let's add two more of them and pause it. Market capacity $billion is info get market cap of 0 and let's have it as 1E9 to outline billions and round it to 2 digits. And for all of this, let's include the amount part into round because we want 2 digits after it. And what to include last? Let's include also one other important thing, 52-week high price, which will be info get 52 week high. And if it's not available, again an A, so no unnecessary parentheses. And the last one, we will copy this and paste. And edit this. Oh, let's start with this one, and this method here should return stock data. Now let's display this all in Streamlit. Streamlit title, interactive stock data. Streamlit. Okay, ticker equals Streamlit text input. Enter a stock ticker. Example: Apple, Amazon, Meta, and if nothing is provided by the user, let's have default Apple. And if Streamlit button get stock info equals to get stock info for ticker, data frame equals pandas data frame from dictionary stock info, orientation will be based on index, and the columns will be and Streamlit data frame. So we have our code, which is getting the stock data from YFinance. It is having the set of data that it will need to request, and in our Streamlit application page we will provide a stock name as an input, which our code will save as a ticker variable and provide it to Yahoo. So with all of this done, let's get to our code terminal and Streamlit, run YFinance, and stop. Let's see what we got in here. Let's stock info, and our table is ready. So this is the company name, this is the sector, this is market capacity, 52-week high and 52-week low. Let's get back to code to see if all the required fields are covered. Yes, they are. And as a suggestion, I would recommend you to play around first, do the exercise that we did at the beginning, the simple code. Get the fields that we got in a command line or in terminal here. You remember this view. Get all those names and include them into stock data and have it displayed in a nicely dashboard. This exercise will help you to get more familiar with Yahoo and Streamlit and display the data in a way you find more visual, so better visually understandable for you. This is all for today, and in our next lesson we will go deeper into financial statements, balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow. This will help understand profitability, debt, and overall business health. Thank you for your time. I recommend you, if you are interested in financial data, to subscribe to the Telegram channel, which you can find in the description of this video. Subscribe to video course on Udemy, and if you prefer the reading format, you can always take a look at the book I published with the 40 live examples of Python scripts for financial data. All the links will be available at the description of this video. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and we'll continue at the next lesson. Bye-bye.